Good morning, student. Yesterday we start our new lesson, that is a polynomial. What is mean by polynomial? We saw just a revision I am taking because some students are confusing. Students, a polynomial is an expression which contains two or more algebraic terms. It made up of two terms, namely poly. Poly means many, and just remember this: poly means many, nomial means terms. Terms, all of you know that the algebraic expression one term. So it is a composed of very important these three concept: constant, that all of you know that constant means 1 2 3 even, negative numbers also there. Variables means the value may be changed according, means if the equation change the value is also change, expression change the value is also change. And the exponent means the degree or power of the variable. Okay, and it is represented by p of x. All of you know the monomial, binomial, trinomial. This classification based on the number of terms. This classification is based on number of terms. Whereas monomial means one term. If you are considering this is a non-polynomial, 1 upon x plus 2 or 1 upon x, whatever it is, this 1 upon x, this is also not a polynomial. This is also not a polynomial. Why? Because when you are simplified you will get x raised to the power minus 1, and in the polynomial the degree or power of a variable should be positive integer. Why is called integer, positive integer? Because 0 is also included in that. So only 0 if you are considering, this is also a polynomial, a monomial. Because 0 we can write in the terms of polynomial as 0 into x raised to the power 0, that is 0 into 1, that is 0. Therefore it is also a polynomial. Now next, on the basis of number of terms over, not degree, linear. If highest degree of the given polynomial is 1, then it is a linear. If highest degree of polynomial is 2, then it is a quadratic. And when highest degree of given polynomial is 3, then it is a cubic. Okay, now these are the examples: linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Standard form means whatever the terms are there in the given polynomial, that you have to write in the descending or ascending power of variable. Coefficient means just firstly write down all the term which, if for example in this power 3 and power 2 terms is not there, is it? Well, see the example, this power 3 and power 2 term is not there. 4 3 2, 3x raised to the power 5 minus 4x plus 9, so it is not there, is it? And therefore we are taking the coefficient of this is 0. Okay, so in the coefficient form, firstly write the given polynomial in the descending order of their degree, including all the terms, means all the power, then write their coefficient separated by comma. Write a polynomial including missing term called as an index form. Means just I told this. So this is a index form and this is a coefficient form. In the practice set we will see more examples, so don't worry. Now to write a polynomial in the coefficient form, how to write it? These are the steps. See the first step. Write the given polynomial in the standard form. Standard means the degree in the descending or ascending order. Write the missing term if any at their proper position. Take means missing term means if any polynomial third power is not there, second power is not there, then write that term with the help of 0. If any it at their proper position, take the coefficient of each missing term to be 0. For ensuring that no term is left out, use the formula number of terms is equal to degree of the polynomial plus 1. Number of terms is equal to degree of the given polynomial plus 1. Okay. 5 degree are there. How many terms we require? 6. Write the coefficient of all the terms round bracket and separate by comma. That is a coefficient form. While converting the coefficient form into index form, the degree of polynomial should be less than the number of coefficient by 1. If the coefficients are 5, then what is the degree of that given polynomial? 4. Okay. Now see. By the example, it will more clear. See the example from practice set 3.1. State whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomial or no. Justify your answer. First one is y plus 1. What is the first question? I think wrong here. It is a 1 upon 1 plus, y plus 1 by y. No, because the power of is negative number. Because of power is, it is a wrong. Because of power y, it is example is y plus 1 upon y. This is not a polynomial because the degree of this y is minus 1. 2 minus 5 root 2. Okay. No, because degree in the decimal. We want degree in the positive integer. X square plus 7x plus 9. Yes, this is a polynomial. 2m raised to the power minus 2. No, because the degree is minus 2. So degree, very important thing in the algebraic expression. If the degree of the given expression is positive integer, then only we can say that the given polynomial is the, given expression is the polynomial. Then yes, because the constant polynomial, it is called as a constant polynomial. Coefficient of m cube, here it is 1, here it is minus of root 3, and here it is minus 23. So here it is just something is missing. I think it is minus root 23. Now write the coefficient, all of you know very well, so no need to explain more. Write the polynomial x using the given information. Monomial with degree 7. Just one term. Degree is 5x raised to the power 7. You can write 3x raised to the power 7. Binomial with a degree 35. Binomial means two terms. So x raised to the power 35 minus of x raised to the power 33. In this way also you can write trinomial, three terms. So highest degree should be 35, highest degree should be 7. So in this way, in the third example, the highest degree is 8. In the example, highest degree is 8, and it is 3x raised to the power 8 plus of 2x raised to the power 6 plus x raised to the power 5. So in this way also you can write the examples. Now see the next question. Write the degree of given polynomial. It is very easy. Root 5 degree is 0. X0 it is 0. X it is degree of the polynomial is 2. It is I think x square, right? It is, this equation is x square. Just a typing mistake is there. Fourth one is root 2 m raised to the power 10 minus 7. So 10 is there. 2p minus root 7, 1 degree. 7y minus of y raised to the power 3 plus of y. See here, zoom it, you will get more clear. See here, y raised to the power 3 plus of y raised to the power 5. So 5 is the highest power of y. Therefore, the 5 is the degree of given polynomial. xyz plus xy minus z. This is a one term having the 3 variable. So every variable having degree 1. If like this situation is there in the question, so add the all the degree of one term. So x, y, z, x raised to the power 1, y is 1, z is 1. So degree of this term is 3. Degree of this term xy 2 and z is 1. So which one is the highest degree? 3, and therefore it is degree of polynomial is 3. The sum of the power of xyz in the terms of xyz is 3, which is the highest sum of the power. Means when a term having a more than one variable, then all variables degree you have to add it. And what is the addition? That is the degree of that term. Similarly, see the next question in this also. M raised to the power 3, n raised to the power 7, 3m raised to the power 5 into n plus mn. What is the mn degree? 2. What is the degree of this term? m5 n1 6. And what is the degree of this term? m cubes n7, 7 plus 3, that is 10. And therefore the degree of polynomial is 10. Question number 5. Classify the following polynomial in linear, quadratic, cubic. Linear means degree 1, quadratic means degree 2, and cubic means degree 3. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1, highest degree is 2, so it is a quadratic. 5p, it is a linear. Root 2 minus 12, this is also linear. M cube plus 7m square plus 2 minus 5m minus, so what is highest degree? 3, so it is cubic. A square, it is quadratic, and 3r cube, it is cubic. Write the following polynomial in the standard form. Standard form means write in the descending or ascending order of their degrees. So first one, m cube plus 3 plus 5m. So m cube plus 5m plus 3. Second, highest degree is 5. So y raised to the power 5 plus 2y raised to the power 4 plus 3y raised to the power 3 minus y square minus 7y minus 12. Following polynomial in coefficient form. First write in the index form, then write the coefficient form. So you will get x cube. Now in between how many terms are not there? If all of you know that how to find out the coefficient, how many terms we require in the coefficient. Highest power is 3, means there are total 4 coefficients. Okay, total 4 coefficient. When you are converting the coefficient index form into the coefficient form, remember these tips. So it is x cube minus of 2 is equal to x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus of 2. So 1, 0, 0, minus of 2 is the coefficient. Similar way this also I calculated see one time. If you have doubt, then you can call me, students. Now think. This one homework. Question number 9 from the practice set 3.1, and these 2 questions also you have to solve and send me up to session time. Okay, students.